Somewhere on the edge of Ahmedabad, a dream was imagined. Not just of buildings, but of balance, of homes that breathe. Roads full of trees and mornings that start with the sound of nature. In a world that is running faster every day, there is a place that dares to pause. This is not just a project, it is a vision and a dream. This is Shantigram, a township that does not just house people, it holds a purpose. 600 acres of thoughtfully planned space. But it is more than just a number. It is a place where the school bell rings just a few steps away from home. Where EV buses glide without noise. Where your child can run on soft grass. Where your work, worship, wellness and weekends all exist in one living map. Strategically located between the twin cities of Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar, Shantigram is not just a township, it is the beginning of a new way of life. With seamless connectivity to the airport, hospitals and key hubs, it stands as a self-sustained ecosystem that redefines modern urban living. A place where development meets dignity. This is the beginning of a new way of life. It is a self-sustained ecosystem setting a new benchmark for modern urban living. A place where development meets dignity.
Hi, my name is Madhvi Sally. I've moved from Delhi 2 years back to Adani Shantigram. Our society is Water Lily apartment. I think it is the best decisions we made, from accessibility to workplace, to school, to a great club, the Belvedere Club. I think when you're out of your own hometown, this is the perfect place to be in, to reside. You have great walking tracks, you have great amenities, awesome security, something we could not dream of in any other metro city. My kids can go cycling to school, we can go walking, and it's a great green view, something which is really missing in most of the cities, and great access to all other amenities. We have McDonald's, we have great bookstores out here, to other facilities, and I think it is one place you need to head to, Adani Shantigram.
At the center of Shantigram stands a structure that speaks volume without saying a word. The Adani Corporate House. More than a building, it is a symbol. The fascinating architecture. Shantigram wasn't built for show, it was built for structure. A blueprint brought to life with precision and purpose. From robust road networks and wide pedestrian walkways to integrated drainage, power and fiber optic systems, every inch has been engineered to function seamlessly. Smart infrastructure meets serene design residential clusters that are strategically planned for light, ventilation and open space. Homes range from sky-touching high-rises to serene low-rise residences, all crafted with care and functionality in mind. Underground utilities keep the surface clutter-free, while power backup systems and water management ensure daily life never skips a beat.
I stay in Adani Shantigram. I stay in Meadows actually, and I stay with my family. Frankly speaking, this is a very good place to stay. I feel that I'm staying in a resort. So if you talk about the quality of life, it's superb. If you talk about the air quality index, it's a superb. So the kind of freshly environment we are getting here, it's awesome actually. My family, they don't want to leave this place. We have thought a lot of times. I'm working with a MNC company, so I've got a transfer, but they don't want to leave this place because of only Adani Shantigram. So we have got a lot of things here. We have got a football ground, we have got a cricket ground. My son is a great cricket player, so he plays cricket and he is getting a very good coaching here in Adani Sports Line. He has got an environment of cricketing. My family, they enjoy staying here. हम लोगों को कुछ भी whatever we need, it's just next step. So हम बाहर निकलते हैं, walk करते हैं और जाके हमें vegetables मिल जाते हैं, सब्जी भाजी मिल जाती है. We can go to the corner Zero Circle. We can get McDonald's. We can get Wagh Bakri. We can get a lot of things there also. Stationery का shop है, Judio है. Water supply बहुत अच्छा है. Water supply नर्मदा कनाल का है. So we don't have any problem in water here. In fact हमको अगर वो पानी पीना है तो हम वो डायरेक्ट पानी पी सकते हैं. सिर्फ फिल्टर डाल के हम पी सकते हैं. हमको RO वाटर डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
What is a home without its flavors? Shantigram serves more than just meals. It serves memories. From the comfort of a Gujarati thali to the relishing taste of global cuisine cafes, the township is a celebration of culinary diversity. Food becomes the language of community. It is where cultures mix, stories are shared, and identities are savored. It's not just about what is on the plate, but who you are sharing it with.
Shantigram is a heaven for everybody. यहाँ पे अच्छी ऑक्सीजन मिलती है क्योंकि यहाँ ग्रीनरी बहुत है. आसपास जो भी ये एक छोटी सी टाउनशिप है. यहाँ नियर बाय हमें टाउनशिप के रिलेटेड हमें कुछ भी चाहिए, हमारे लिए एक मॉल अवेलेबल है जहाँ हमें सब चीज़ मिल जाती है, लाइक ग्रॉसरी, मिल्क, वेजिटेबल्स, एवरीथिंग. और नियर बाय थिएटर है, अंदर ही फुटबॉल ग्राउंड है, क्रिकेट ग्राउंड है, जो बच्चों के लिए हमें यहाँ से बाहर जाने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है.
Running quietly alongside Shantigram, the Narmada Canal does not just border the township, it nourishes its soul. Its waters are housed in the Water Lily Lake, becoming a serene centerpiece for the community. It is not just about beauty, but balance. A quiet revolution in sustainability where recycled water, thoughtful design, and ecological respect come together. No loud slogans, no grand gestures, just a gentle current that reminds us progress and preservation can flow side by side. Mobility at Shantigram is designed to be both efficient and sustainable. Electric buses operate within the township, offering clean and quiet transport for residents. Multiple EV charging stations are integrated across residential and commercial zones, supporting the growing shift to electric vehicles. Dedicated cycling tracks and bicycle stands at every gate promote greener, healthier commuting options. Well-planned pedestrian walkways and shaded streets make walking not only viable but comfortable. With seamless internal connectivity and infrastructure that supports low-emission travel, Shantigram enables a lifestyle where convenience and sustainability go hand in hand. Wellness isn't a facility here, it is a way of life. At the heart of Shantigram stands the Belvedere Golf and Country Club, a landmark of luxury, leisure, and togetherness. Spread across 100 plus acres, the club boasts an international standard 9-hole golf course, indoor and outdoor sports arenas, a modern gym, spa services, a dedicated kids zone, a movie theatre, a vibrant game zone, a multi-cuisine restaurant, and a grand banquet space for celebrations. This is where Shantigram comes to unwind, recharge, and come together.
Namaskar, myself Aishwarya Negi. I am guest relationship executive here. This is Belvedere Golf and Country Club. This is one of the most luxurious club in Ahmedabad. We are having 55 room, 44 exclusive deluxe room, 8 golf view and 3 suites room. Apart of this, we are having 4 restaurant. First is Parampara for Gujarati Thali, Fairway for multi cuisine, Cafe Belvedere for buffet, and then we have Roasty for tea and coffee. We are having sports activities also, swimming pool, steam and sauna, gym, and yoga room is also here. Our first and the priority role is to serve our member the best we can.
At Shantigram, learning lives close to home. The Adani International School offers both Cambridge and CBSE curriculum, creating an environment that nurtures curiosity from early years through adolescence. For higher learning, Adani University focuses on future-facing disciplines like data science, law, and management, shaping tomorrow's leaders right within the township. Education here isn't a commute, it is a community, safe, close, and thoughtfully integrated into daily life. True luxury is peace of mind, and at Shantigram, safety is not an afterthought, it is part of the design. With 24/7 surveillance, a dedicated mini police station, and a well-managed community security system, the township is secure not just because it has to be, but because it chooses to be. But peace of mind is not just about feeling safe, it is also about feeling supported.
अडानी शांतिग्राम को हमने 5 जोनों में डिवाइड कर रखा है। हर जोन में 2-2 सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर क्यूआरटी बाइक के साथ रहते हैं, जिनका काम अडानी शांतिग्राम के अंदर कहीं पर भी किसी भी प्रकार का कोई इंसिडेंट, कोई हादसा हो जाने पर तुरंत घटनास्थल पर पहुंचते हैं और ड्यूटी डीएसओ को इन्फो करते हैं। ड्यूटी डीएसओ घटनास्थल पर पहुंचकर हालत का जायजा लेता है और सिचुएशन को हालात के अनुसार सॉल्व करता है। अडानी शांतिग्राम के अंदर हमारा मेन मोटो, जो भी यहाँ पर रेजिडेंशियल रहते हैं उनकी सेफ्टी करना हमारा फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी रहता है।
From wellness centers to grocery stores, from fresh food outlets to essentials, all daily needs are just steps away at the Shoppers Plaza, the township's retail and lifestyle hub. Here, safety and convenience come together because trust is built not just through protection but through presence. And that's what truly makes a place feel like home.
मैं यहाँ पे करीब 6 साल से रहता हूँ और यहाँ पे जो फैसिलिटी और जो मैं यहाँ मैं करीब एक बड़ा बंगला सैटेलाइट में छोड़ के यहाँ आया हूँ, फिर भी मेरे को लगता है कि यहाँ पे जो फैसिलिटी और यहाँ पे जो रहने में मज़ा आता है वो कहीं पे भी नहीं आता है। कोई भी स्कीम में आप जाओ, आपको स्विमिंग पूल मिलेगा, आपको जिम मिलेगा, सिक्योरिटी इतनी टाइट है कि गेस्ट भी आते हैं तो हमको वो करते हैं कि यार इतनी टाइट सिक्योरिटी मत रखो। और आपको अगर चलना है घास, लोन में चलना है घास, तो इतना बड़ा एक फुटबॉल ग्राउंड है, उसमें आप यू कैन एंजॉय ऑल द फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल हियर। आपका शॉपिंग प्लाजा है, उसमें आप यू नेम इट एंड यू विल गेट इट। सो आई थिंक एवरीबडी शुड ट्राई एटलीस्ट। और मैं आपको वादा करता हूँ अगर आप 6 महीने भी यहाँ रहे तो आप कहीं पे भी बाहर रहने नहीं जाओगे।
24/7 सेफ्टी। अगर आप मॉर्निंग में 5 o'clock भी अगर आप लेडीज़ अकेले वॉक करिए, उनके लिए भी सेफ़ है, काफ़ी सेफ़ है शांतिग्राम। यहाँ अंदर पुलिस स्टेशन भी है तो काफ़ी सेफ़ है।
I live in Amoga society और अच्छा है, मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, क्लीन भी है और सारी फैसिलिटी भी है और सब कुछ नियर बाई है, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती कुछ भी लेने में, बाय करने में, कुछ ही बाहर से मंगाने में। इन एंट्रेंस गेट वहाँ पे मूवी वगैरह देख सकते हैं, मैकडी है, स्टेशनरी है, जूडियो है। तो वी आर वेरी, मैं पहले कोटा रहती थी तो हमें बहुत दिक्कत होती थी इधर उधर सामान लेने में, जाने में, शॉपिंग करने में। तो वी आर वेरी इंजॉय करते हैं। अभी यहाँ पे मॉल भी बन रहा है, शॉपर प्लाजा के सामने मॉल भी बन रहा है, तो आने वाले टाइम में बहुत इजी हो जाएगा शॉपिंग करना, बाहर नहीं जाना पड़ेगा, हर चीज़ अंदर मिल रही है, तो अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे।
And beyond the structures and systems lies the soul of Shantigram, its spaces of stillness and spirit. At its heart stands the Jain Derasar, a timeless symbol of devotion and discipline. And now, the newly added Swaminarayan Temple offers yet another place of peace, a sanctuary where community and contemplation meet. These sacred spaces invite you to pause, to fold your hands, close your eyes, and connect. Here, spirituality is not imposed, it is gently woven into daily life. Because progress means little if the soul feels lost.
I'm living in Shantigram from last 8 years. मैं पूरे गुजरात में घूम चुका हूँ, तो पूरे गुजरात में सबसे अच्छा रहने लायक अगर कोई जगह है तो ये है। ज़्यादा ग्रीनरी है, फुटबॉल ग्राउंड, क्रिकेट ग्राउंड, गोल्फ, रेस्टोरेंट्स है, केडी हॉस्पिटल नियर में है। तो अगर अहमदाबाद और गुजरात में कहीं सबसे अच्छा रहने लायक है तो ये है। मैं 8 साल से हूँ, आई एम सेटिस्फाइड। लंबे चौड़े रोड, नो वाटर ब्लॉकेज, कोई कीचड़ नहीं होता है, पार्किंग का सेंस है, सिक्योरिटी अच्छी है, तो आई एम सेटिस्फाइड। और मैं तो इधर 8 साल से रहता हूँ, तो मैं प्रीफर करूँगा ये छोड़ के मैं कहीं ना जाऊँ।
Some places do not wait for the future. They quietly begin building it. Shantigram is more than a township. It is a living, breathing vision of what modern India can become. Every corner intentionally crafted, every step rooted in sustainability, every life thoughtfully nurtured. This is not a dream on paper. It is India in motion, rooted in seva, rising through Shanti. This is not just where people live, it is where a new India learns to belong, to flourish, to thrive.